Ryan, just show me the meter. Which motor you used in the last exhibit? Show the motor.
This motor.
इसका कैपेसिटी माने ज़्यादा वेट है तो उठा पाएगा ये? हाँ, थोड़ा आवाज़ बढ़ा दे। इसका एक बार मैकेनिज्म बता दो। ये इसको कैसे उठाते? गियर कैसे कहाँ लगाते इसको?
सर इसको एक गियर रॉड होगा सर, उसको
ये निकाल सकते क्या? निकाल दो, एक बार निकाल के दिखा दो।
सर दिस विल फिक्स होगा।
ओके, लेकिन इसका वेट बहुत कम हो जाएगा ना?
हाँ यस।
ओके, तो फिर क्या करेंगे अभी? सपोज इफ इट आई वांट टू लिफ्ट मोर वेट, व्हाट डू यू डू?
Sir, we can use more capacity motors, cable motors.
You can use
We can use more capacity, which has more capacity.
the motor which has the more capacity.
Yes.
Okay. Show me another motor, whatever you are having, which can lift more weight.
Sir, a bipolar motor, sir.
Bipolar motor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the bipolar motor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. इसका कुछ weight कितना तक lift करेगा ये?
Sir, up to 4 kgs.
Up to 4 kgs. Okay. So now you do one thing, you share the link of the calculations. इसका torque कितना है, इसका data sheet जो है group में link कर दे दो. Okay, so that all the group members can know what is the capacity of say maybe of torque of the motor and what is the voltage required. Okay, and how do you connect this one to this mechanism? अभी ये जो है ना, so already you are showing that this particular thing, okay, this particular thing you are lifting like this.
Yes, sir.
So the same thing, how do you make the mechanism to lift this by using this motor?
Sir, we will use different mechanism for this.
Okay, you keep it here. Different mechanism. Are you having any sample?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just get the sample. One second. Pause it. Now you tell me how do you make the mechanism to lift the platform? Because in that case you already explained that you will use the motor and one small wheel gear and then gear rod. Okay. So in this case, which is the gear rod? Which gear rod you will use?
Sir, this threaded rod.
Okay, this is the one.
Yes, sir.
So this is threaded rod.
Yes.
Okay. So where to fix this one? How do you fix this one
Sir,
to the
with the
motor?
coupling, sir. We have a motor and a couple.
Motor and what bush also. Okay, this is the bush. So ठीक है. Okay, then where do you fix the platform?
Sir, we will fix the platform. This is plan, sir.
Okay. You are having anything like suppose if this is the platform,
Yes.
so it is to be fixed where?
Sir, with this plan, sir.
With this planche. Okay. So how do you make it move this platform? Suppose if the motor rotates, how can you lift the platform?
Sir, if the motor rotates, this planche moves upwards.
Move it and show closer. Okay. So this is the planche. So now you rotate and show me the bush. How it rotate?
Sure.
Is it rotating?
Yes, sir. Now it is coming down, sir.
Okay. Now this one, suppose if it is moving up, then this it can raise.
Yes.
Okay. And it's moving down,
This
then
can come
it will
down.
come down. Okay.
Yes.
So this planche should be fixed to.
The platform. sir.
Okay. I think already you have made something, na?
Yes.
You show me where is the platform and how. So this is the one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here that gate
Sir,
rod is fixed.
This planche is fixed to the platform, sir.
Okay. This planche is, this is the bush, and
Yes.
you are having the motor down, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just show me the motor where it is fixed.
Sure.
Okay, this is the motor, and the bush used to be the bush, and bush is fixed with the this
This
rod,
platform.
threaded rod, and threaded rod is fixed with the planche,
Yes.
and this planche is fixed with the
Platform.
platform. So this planche is the movable object here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, when this get rotates, then the planche will get up and down as per the control.
Yes.
Okay, so now your mechanical structure is okay. It's clear to the group members, and now just is it ready to?
Yes.
The connections are ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then these are the things to lift the weight. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now just show me how you raise this one with empty weight.
Sir.
Okay. Now it's raising, huh?
Yes, sir.
So with one click it's raising.
Yes.
Okay. So will it stop at this moment? Or,
Yes, sir. It
you
will,
have-
it will raise up to some extent and it will stop.
after automatically it will stop after
Yes,
some time.
yes, sir.
Okay, this is raising up and raise it down it, make it down.
So this is down.
Down. Okay, very good. So what is the purpose of these 4 rods? These 4 bases you are keeping. Is there any motor connectivity to this or
No, sir, there is no motor.
no motor connectivity? It's a physical, only physical
Yes.
for balancing purpose.
Yes, sir. But
Okay. So now this is the one which you are using for fixing the platform. Huh?
yes, sir.
Okay. You keep the platform and then keep some weight and show again. So this is the platform. So in this case, this was the platform.
Yes, sir.
Now in this version, you are going to make the big platform. Okay. So on the big platform, you will keep some weight. Okay. So maybe of this weight and some other weight. Let me just. Okay. Okay, it's good. So automatically, how long it will raise? How much height it will raise?
Sir, up to 5 centimeters.
5 centimeters.
Yes.
Okay, this specified object is the exhibit is meant for raising 5 centimeters.
Yes.
So suppose if I wanted more centimeters to raise, what to do?
Sir, we can use a lengthy threaded rod.
Lengthy threaded rod. Do you have the red rod?
Yes, sir.
Pass. Now show me the rod. Suppose if I wanted to raise more height, then
Yes.
what modifications are required?
So we can use the lengthy threaded rod.
So this is the lengthy threaded rod.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the bush will be connected here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bush and that flange will be connected here.
Yes.
Okay. So that means suppose if we are using, we can use more.
Yes, sir. We can
Okay.
use more.
So in that case, then what kind of इसको बैलेंस के लिए भी अभी ये रॉड लाया ना, ये प्लेन वाला.
हाँ.
प्लेन वाला भी मिलता है क्या?
हाँ, मिलता है.
So these are the
Plain.
plain rods. Good. So इसका diameter जो है मोटर के लिए मैच होगा?
हाँ, yes, sir.
Okay, it's the same diameter. So we can make use of it. So now this is the one which you made it for one motor. Okay.
Yes, one line.
तो इसको कंट्रोल के लिए क्या क्या उसमें तो कंट्रोल करने के लिए आई थिंक यू हैव यूज्ड द suitable driver for that particular thing. इसके ड्राइवर क्या है?
Sir, A4988, sir. We use
A4
988.
988. Okay, that particular